Hi, everybody. It's Mary Ellen from Create With Me, and I'm here in the Creativity Nest. And you don't normally see me at night, but I did something really crazy. You know, on Tuesday, when I usually do Teach Me Tuesday, I totally forgot it was Tuesday. With the holiday, I was totally off a day. So I thought it was Monday. So I missed you. So I wanted to come on and do a live with a fun card and show you some new products because so super exciting. The catalog and the celebration went live today. So gosh, so excited about some of the products in here. So there we go. There, now you can see me and you can see what I'm doing. So super excited about this mini catalog. Can't say enough about it. And then Celebration. If you're unfamiliar with Celebration, for every $50 you spend either out of this or the annual catalog, you get to pick a free item out of the Celebration. And that's what we're going to use today. Hey, Debbie. So we're going to do a card using the Flight and Airy paper. And I don't have all the paper here for you, but this is just one sheet. Okay, it's beautiful. It's gorgeous. But let me show you it. I'm going to show you it. It's a pack that you can get for free. I can open up the catalog now and show you right here. And for every $50, you can get a whole pack of 12 by 12. You get 2 sheets, 12 sheets, 2 of each of 6 double-sided designs. So love, love, love it. Love everything about it. The colors, everything. Then we're going to use some stamp sets, and I'm just using a whole plethora of stamp sets. We're going to use the flower out of Hooray for Surprises. We're going to use the flowers here out of Thoughtful Expressions, which of course I love. Got the hummingbird. Excuse me. And then we're going to use the word hello. We could use love you more, hello, enjoy your day for this card. But we're going to use the word hello out of Heartfelt Hellos. This is also a stamp set that you can earn for free. For $50 order, you can pick the Heartfelt Hellos for free. So let me move those catalogs out of the way. And I'm actually going to bring in a piece of vellum because I learned that a piece of vellum will cover my glare from I have lights straight above me. So you're going to wonder what this is. Maybe you've seen it. Maybe you haven't. This is the new glass mat. This mat is, gosh, 17 by 14, I think. It's huge. I absolutely love it. I probably won't be using it a lot for my videos for this reason. I have to cover the glare. But it's a kit. It also comes with a silicone mat, just like this. And this sticks right on it doesn't move. You could put your spots in here, but I plan on using this for watercoloring, putting re-inkers in there, then cleaning your brush on here. It's super, super versatile. And then it also comes with its own chamois cloth. So it's similar to our chamois, but it's thinner and just really nice. And then you can just wipe off your surface just like that with water. So we're going to make a card, but let me show you kind of the transition of where this card came from. So if you tuned in last week, you saw me make this card here. This is why I do it during the day, because the lighting is so much better because I've got windows right over here. And we did this with the perennial lavender set, and they had all kinds of color. Super, super pretty. So then I took this and I used the Flight and Airy, and I made this card. Love it, love it. Do you love it? I mean, it's so gorgeous. I embossed this little circle back here, cut out the bird, and did the love you more from the hellos, the heartfelt hello stamp set right here. Love you more up there on the top, and super, super pretty. So then we were getting ready for class yesterday, and we made a card that looked like this. This is a gatefold card, super pretty. Opens just like this, kind of unique. I'm going to take this card and I'm going to step it up just a little bit. So what you're going to need to do this card is you're going to need a piece of, all the measurements are in the description of the video, but you're going to need a quarter sheet of cardstock, so 5.5 by 4.25. You're going to need a piece of paper that is the same color, that is 11 by 2 inches, and you're just going to fold that piece in half. So Debbie was here at class yesterday, so she's seen this. And then if she's still watching, she's going to see my stepped up version. Okay, so that's going to get stamped and put on the front. Then you've got a piece of white that's going to be the inside of your card, and that's going to be five. Let's see, 5¼ by 4, 5¼ by 4. And then you're going to need a piece of, in this case, this is fresh freesia, and this one is 5 by 2. Let's see, 5 by 2. And then you're going to need a couple circles that are punched, a 2-inch and a 2¼ inch circle, and then 3 pieces of designer series paper that are 1 3/4 by 1½. So when you're cutting this paper, let me give you a little tip. You're going to cut this paper. Let me show it on the side here. You're going to want to take off little 1/4-inch strips to get the birds in the center of the paper. So you're going to have a lot of these little 1/4-inch strips in between. See how these are in lines? So this is giving you a little tip. So you're going to have a little 1/4-inch strip. Then you're going to cut these into your pieces. You'll have a little 1/4-inch strip. Don't let that go to waste. We're going to use this little 1/4-inch strip too. And then I'm going to step it up, and I'm going to show you that in a minute. So let's do our stamping. It's very simple stamping. We're going to start with the front of the Dutchfold card. I'm going to just tell me if I'm off camera. So right here, we're going to use Versamark, and we're going to use the floral pieces from the hummingbird set, Thoughtful Expressions. Okay, so we're going to use this piece here, and I'm just doing a tone-on-tone look, and I'm just going to stamp the pieces. I want a super light, just all I'm doing is, all I want is like texture. Okay, so it's kind of giving you some texture. Then I'm going to bring in the other pieces. You can stamp these however you want. I have to kind of look up at it because it's, you know, it's so light, but as it dries a little bit darker. You'll see it here in just a minute. Okay, so I'm done with the Versamark. Versamark is a sticky kind of a watermark stamp. It's great for embossing, but it also, when you're using it on darker papers, let's see if I get under the light there, it gives you that tone-on-tone look. And as it dries, it takes a little bit to dry, it will get darker and darker and then just show up as a nice texture, a little florally texture on my card. Now you can also use the Versamark when you are doing your embossing. When you're using powder and heat embossing, you can use your powder because this stays wet for just a little bit longer. But I don't have to really worry about it smearing or anything like that. So I'm going to take my seal, and I'm going to take this fold and put the fold right on the edge, and I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom. Just like that. Okay. I'm going to open that up, and I'm going to cover this up. So I'm not worried about, I just don't want to be off camera. I've got it a little bit tight. I don't want to worry about having that show. So I'm going to actually go ahead and adhere my white on the inside, and that will cover up that little seam. So we just do, so we have equidistance all the way around, just like that. Okay, then I'm going to take my fresh freesia, and I'm going to take my 3 pieces of designer series paper, and I'm going to lay my little birds out the way I want them. I think I'm going to do, just lay them out and decide. Trying to decide. I like it like that. Okay, so I start with the one side. I start at one side. I don't start in the middle. Start at one side. I'm going to go equidistance these 3 sides, just like that. Then I'm going to do the same on the other side. So I've got it through equidistance these 3 sides, just like that. And then this one's going to go in between. Okay, so just like that there. And then we're going to adhere this to the inside of our card. This card goes together really, really fast. Okay, so I'm going to just put it there. So chime in if you're watching. Let me know that you're watching. And so here's our card so far. Super pretty. I'm sorry, I'm going way too far down, and I just want you to be able to see this. Okay, so now we're going to stamp our words here. We're going to take the fresh freesia, and we're going to take the flower from Hooray for Surprises, And the nice thing about this glass mat is I can use it to stamp off. Whoops. I'm going to do that again because it's a little slippery. I'm going to use it to stamp off. Now, I don't have to worry about that ruining my mat. I can just come in with my chamois and I just can wipe that off. So super, super fun. I don't have to worry about wasting a bunch of paper. I just can wipe that off, and then I can, when I need to, Debbie's still here. When I need to, then I can just wash my little chamois cloth. So thanks for watching, Deb. Then we're going to stamp the word hello right on top of our flower. I think I'm going to go a little low because what I'm going to do is I'm going to step this up just a smidge, and I'm going to show you. I haven't done one, but I hope this will work. And I'm going to take some dimensionals, and I'm going to pop these 2 layers, the white one up on the blue, just like this. Okay, so this is going to be our main image, just like that. And then this is the hello. I'm going to go ahead and put some tape on the bottom half, just like this. And see, I don't have to worry about that either. Just go like that, and that tape is gone. So no more worrying about having a silicone mat or anything. This glass mat is invaluable. I'm going to go ahead and put my hello off here, off to the left side. You could put it right in the center. You can do whatever you want. And I want to show you what I did with another piece of the designer series paper. So I'll just be transparent here. I made all these pretty little birds, and I cut these out with I did not fussy cut them. I did cut them out with an e-cutter, and of course this one's not good, so we'll get rid of that one, but super, super pretty. And we're going to add one of these flowers and birds to our card. I'm thinking maybe this one, just right in here. Oh yeah, I kind of like that, although those leaves aren't complete either. Let me keep looking. I'm just going to pick just the right one. Oh, okay. I kind of like this. All right. So I just want to show you that this paper can be cut. You could fussy cut it with your scissors, but you can also cut it with an e-cutter. It's beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous paper. Now, before I put those flowers on, I forgot to show you what to do with this strip. So I like to use a little bit of liquid adhesive, and it's a long strip. Just get my glue down to the end. Maybe. Hello, glue. Doesn't like me today. Well, since we're on the glass mat, we're going to use that, and then we will clean up that adhesive here in a second. We're going to just put that right down here, just as an accent piece. So none of this paper goes to waste. When you've got these little 1/4-inch pieces, use them either on the outside, or you could use them on the inside of your card, or you could do both. And then I'm just going to bring in my snips and just snip that off. So that just super, super cute. And let me get this glue so it's not in my way. That just wipes right off, just like that. I don't have to worry about it being on my grid paper and always sticking. So now I'm going to take this, of course we don't have liquid glue, I don't think. Let me try it, see if I've got a... Oh, here it comes. It just had a little boo-boo there. So I want to see exactly where my bird is going to go. It's going to be a little bit here. So on this, oh, hello. Well, howdy do. We might just set that one aside. Look at all that glue I got on there. Have you ever done that? Just came out. Let me pick a different one. I mean, let's not be silly here. We can definitely get another one. I've got plenty. All we need is a touch of glue here and a little bit over here. It's enough on the lid. And then we can put that right around the word hello, just like that. Isn't that pretty? So see how pretty that is? I know. Look at all that glue, Deb. So now I'm going to take your pick tool, and we're going to add a couple embellishments. I'm using the 3 gem tinsel pack. This is a pretty boho blue with some glitter in it. So love it. I'm going to use it down here on my, you could put it down on your card. I'm just going to use it to frame my greeting. And there's our card. It's so, so pretty. Super pretty. See how that little bird, just like that. So pretty, just like that. And then we open it up, and we could put another strip here or another strip here of this designer series paper if you wanted it down here, you wanted it in there, you could do either one. So I just wanted to show you that. Then did I tell you how you could get this glass mat? I don't know if I did. So anyway, I've been talking about it, but I didn't say too much about how you can get it. So this glass mat's available in the months of January and February, and you can only get this mat if you sign up and join my team. So this mat is free. You will have a, it's sign up for $99. That is free shipping. You just have $99 plus tax. And then you can pick out $125 in product, your choice. And then this mat is one of the choices that you can have, this mat kit. So like I said, it comes with the silicone, which stays strong. And then it comes with the cleaning mat. It's priceless. I'm telling you, I've enjoyed it so much. I've just loved being able to keep my surface clean, do all kinds of techniques. We're going to go into that later. But that is one of your choices. Now, if you have a glass mat and you don't want a glass mat, you can also sign up, and instead of the glass mat, which is a $60 value, you can get $30 additional. So $125 plus 30, $155 in product for $99 plus tax. So I'm just putting that little plug in there. Thank you for joining me at this off time on a night when I normally don't do lives. I just appreciate you being here. And hey, Happy New Year, everybody. I'll see you next week on Tuesday. I promise. Bye, everybody.